Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulina wa ba'ad. A while back, Shaykh Nu'man gave everyone a virtual tour of our new IOK Chess campus. Today, I'm going to do an updated walkthrough and show you all the enhancements we have made. When you had the earlier tour, it was an empty shell. We have made a lot of progress. We're about 85% there. So I want to show everyone what we've done so far. So this is going to be our new grand entrance to the Seminary chess campus. We have these nice automated sliding doors, alhamdulillah. We are going to walk in, and this is going to be like the welcoming area, the main hallway for the building. And that is going to be the reception. And behind the reception, there are two small offices. And then there are restrooms in this corner and the back corner as well. Then if you turn left with me, we have one of our classrooms. And if you just take a peek inside, this is going to be the classroom for our year 2 of the seminary program. It's a very large classroom, alhamdulillah, can accommodate probably 75 to 100 students. This is a lot more space than we currently have. And then as you continue walking, this is going to be the entrance to the Musalla. So we have the dedicated entrance for our sisters, and then the dedicated entrance for our brothers. We can't enter through these right now because there's still some painting and construction going on. So we'll take a back route to the Musalla, inshallah. This here is the year 1 classroom. Usually our year 1 cohort is the largest cohort in the seminary. And we are aiming, inshallah, to have 75 students in this classroom, beginning with the new academic year in September, inshallah. Make dua that we are here in time. We will be. We're 85% there, as you can see. This is going to be like a flex wall. So during class time, it will be closed. So the classroom is separate and independent. But then for Jumu'ah prayer, we'll open this wall up, and it will be overflow for the congregation. And this takes us into our main Musalla. So alhamdulillah, our Musalla is actually very, very large. And it just so happened that the mihrab is in an excellent direction and location. The qibla is directly straight, it's directly forward. So this is going to be the main Musalla, and it's going to serve people in North Diamond Bar, in San Dimas, in Pomona, Phillips Ranch area. It will be open for the 5 daily prayers for Jumu'ah Salah. It will be the main Musalla for our seminary students as well. And we're going to have men in the front and sisters towards the back, inshallah. So this is the main Musalla. We're almost there. And my appeal is that we still have sponsorship for Musallas left. We have about 120 Musallas left. Please go to supportiok.com and contribute to the Musalla campaign. That will help us bring us to completion. As you can see, again, we're about 85% done. With your contribution, we can be 100% done by the end of this month, inshallah. Then we'll start furnishing it throughout May. And inshallah, the grand opening will be sometime in June, inshallah. All right, so now we're exiting the Musalla, right, back into the year 1 classroom, and we'll exit in through the side door. And when you exit through the side door, you're back in the main hallway, which takes you to the Musalla. We have our year 2 classroom, and I am really excited about this building because after decades, we are going to have our own dedicated space for the seminary program. That will allow students to have a campus where they feel at home, where they can spend a lot of time in class, studying, reviewing, reading, writing, spending time in company, in suhbah with their teachers and classmates as well. So this was the main entrance. If you turn left, you're at the year 2 classroom, year 1 classroom, the Musalla. If you turn right, this is where the remaining classrooms are. So here we have the year 3 classroom. If you peek inside, it's also quite large, alhamdulillah. Here we have our year 4 classroom. And this was actually a solid wall before. We had these windows installed so the students can have some natural light. Then we have several office spaces for our administration, for faculty, sometimes for our students who are full-time working professionals. They can have some private space where they can, call into work and take meetings. But we have about 6 offices across this wall as well. And this will be the Year 5 classroom. This is the Dawratul Hadith classroom, where the students are going to spend the majority of the day reading and studying Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. And as we continue, we are going to go to my favorite part of the building, inshallah, which I have a deep attachment to. All right, and if you continue walking this way and you go into the space to my right, this is going to be our dedicated IOK Seminary library. Alhamdulillah, we have a very, very exhaustive Islamic library of hundreds upon hundreds of titles. And this can be an excellent study space and an excellent space for our students to continue with their studies and research. So I'm really excited about the library space being completed. And then if you look towards this side, there's a lot more office space and offices and open space for administration and staff as well. So once again, please do contribute, help us bring this project to completion. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.